Hey guys, so reality check. So that way you guys know what you're getting into before you actually do it. When you have livestock or any type of animals that are being kept outside, they need water. So just remember, when it gets below freezing and your hoses freeze, that means you get to start carrying water buckets out to water troughs. It's a lot of work. It's cold, but animals still need their water. So before you jump into owning livestock and animals, just remember all the hard things that come along with owning them. They literally rely on you to stay alive. So that means you're going to have to make these sacrifices, come out in the cold, carry these heavy buckets. And yes, I know that there's other ways that you can do this, buy the expensive heated hoses and stuff like that. I'm just not there yet with my homesteading. Maybe one day I'll buy the heated hoses, but for now this is what I've got to do.